The US economy is also distinctly strong, but it seems like the stock market is the most differentiated aspect. Would you say it's becoming more concentrated even within the US? It seems like differentiation is growing in relation to AI. So when we look at the US, usually when something good happens, it either rises and then spreads out, or it just keeps going until it crashes. Do you think that in the case of the US, it's really just all about AI now? What do you think?
First of all, AI is going to take the lead.
Leadership will continue.
I think we should keep looking at AI as a growing industry moving forward. But we shouldn't oversimplify AI by thinking it's all about NVIDIA. It's more complex than that. I believe that AI also has continuous stages of development. The initial stage started with algorithms, and now there are generative GPTs such as deep learning. Next is now the AI industry needs to move towards autonomous driving, such as robotics with cognitive abilities. But right now, this year so far, it is. In a case like this year, AI semiconductor industries such as ChatGPT and NVIDIA, which provides infrastructure, have grown significantly. From now on, I'm going to talk about quantum computers, which are all the rage these days. Ultimately, the next stage of AI is going to involve areas like robotics. To put it simply, while AI is still the focus at this stage, the infrastructure will continue to grow as well. However, if you look at recent trends, there's a shift towards applications, systems, and security. So the focus is also changing towards security aspects. So within AI, the AI industry will ultimately lead the way, but if we break it down further within the AI sector, I mentioned that the biggest factor in a potential Trump administration would be the deregulation of industries. If we look at the aspect of deregulation, while the growth in areas outside of AI infrastructure might slow down a bit, on the flip side, there are definitely enough merits for new AI fields like applications, systems, autonomous driving, and robotics to continue their growth. That's how I see it right now.
It seems like there's a bit of a split happening under AI lately. Recently, it seems like there's a split happening. Up until around November, hardware, especially represented by NVIDIA, was leading the way. Since September, it seems like software companies like Tesla and Palantir are showing strong performance. So, is this just a short-term adjustment, or will NVIDIA continue to thrive? There's also talk about China imposing regulations on NVIDIA. Could this be a trigger that shifts the direction of software and hardware?